Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Japan. This is Sapporo Ichiban and their Shio Ramen bowl. And if you didn't know, the background for the Ramen Raider logo is this stuff. It was the packed version over 10 years ago, but same thing. So let's add everything in. Oh gosh. I thought I had it all together, but apparently not. Okay, you dump this in. You dump this in. Dumping, dumping, dumping. And then the noodle block. Oh, that's right. Rosie's running around, so I can't exactly safely put things on the floor. 3 minutes. All right. So yeah, we made an attempt to go on a nice walk today, and that kind of fell flat on its beak. It just nasty outside. It's not raining, although it looks almost like it's gonna now. And it was sunny, but it was so freaking humid. And now it's overcast, and I'm guessing it's getting more humid. And I guess it's supposed to get up to like the mid-90s today. I mean, that's gross, folks. And it stinks outside. It's like stagnant. They're warning that there may be thunderstorms in the mountains. I live in Western Washington. Western Washington is more tropical. You really get all the seasons here. Eastern Washington is more like a desert, and then in the middle you got mountains. So we've got really fascinating weather systems, and you can get like polar, you can get tropical, you can get desert. I mean, it's all here, folks. It's a wonderful place for natural resources to exploit, and yeah, it's pretty crazy. But yeah, if we get wildfires, that means this is gonna get really nasty really quick. It's gonna get gross. What are you doing? Okay. My daughter is getting stuff out of the toy box. But yeah, we went out. It was the plan. We were gonna walk down to the park and stuff and mess around down there, but so here I am cooking for you. And what else is going on? Not a lot. They're gonna go swimming today. I mean, I don't know. It's like, it's really funky outside. Funky and gross. But Rosie, the Roomba, already went around. She's done. So actually I can put junk on the floor. Yeah. They've got one now. They've got a Roomba that's like $1,300. That's a lot, but I guess it vacuums, it mops, and it goes back and it empties itself. I wouldn't spend 1,300 simoleons on something like that, but I tell you what, that'd be a pretty neat little device. What are you looking for?
I was looking for bubble seeds and I found them.
Oh, very good, very good. You've done your... You sought and destroyed. Oh, wait. You gotta fix the toy box. It's not closing all the way.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gotta do the right thing there, little girl. You wanna say hi to the nice people? Yeah. Well, come on over to say hi.
Also show them something that I have.
If you hurry, you have 1 second. 0. Oh, that. Yeah. You want to let it. You want to let it go?
Yeah. I'm kind of scared.
Yeah, me too. I'm guarding the ramen. You got stand back over there and do it.
I'm scared.
Well, then don't do it. It's got a drone in it, and when you open it up, it flies all over the place. No, put it away. It's okay.
It scares me when it's
It
flying.
scares you. Maybe we should take it outside and release it into the wild.
No.
You wanted to get rid of it. No, that thing still isn't shut.
I know, but it's not closing.
I know. You have to readjust items in the stuffed full toy box. Anyway, you go have fun. Love you. Alright, so let's try this noodle. So this is Shio. It's called salt ramen, and I'm sure there'll be enough of you that go, salt ramen? It's so salty already. What, they add extra salt? Well, it's like, kinda, I don't know, special salt. Cheers. I would say 4 minutes on that for the letting it steep. But the broth, wow. Really quite good. It's kind of like a chicken and almost, it's like, and it is salty, but it's like a chickeny, savory, yummy, yum, you know. I'm currently working on doing an article with a, what is it called? Serious Eats, which is pretty cool. And, come on. Let go. Do your thing. There's cabbage in there. There's a bunch of good stuff. Trying to fold the noodle into a happy textural universe. I know, you're like, well, where's your chopsticks? You can do that whole thing. I'm like, I need a noodle master, I guess. I know, I'm supposed to be the noodle master. Stop. Okay. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna try to get some more of this cabbage and such out of here because there's so much of it and I don't want to waste any of it. That's pretty good. Okay, and we got an egg. A wonderful, wonderful egg. Here it comes. It's a rather large egg. It is big enough. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the? Sometimes, I swear. I'm glad I've kind of got more standardized eggs. God, I'm gonna have to like use AI and fix that all up and make it look all pretty. I don't mind. I mean, that's like what I do, but it's still like, come on. Save that broth, or marinade, as one of them say. We got that. We've got some chicken. That's real good. Definitely sesame seed. In the U.S. version that comes in a pack, it does have a sachet full of sesame seed. And I think we'll go with some of that. Did you see that? Do you know what that is? It's stuff. I think we're good. I think that's as far as I'm going on that. So there we are. Until the next one. Well, the next one you're gonna see. Oh boy, boy, oh boy, oh boy. I hope you're not hoping to go to prison, because that's the only place you're gonna find this stuff. Marachan ramen noodle soup chili flavor prison version. Yeah, it's clear sachet, and it yeah, you can only get it in prison. So just let me cook it up for you. I don't go to prison. I hope you don't either. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.